Of Stellar XLM holders. So what's going on? Today video is very important and very important for all Stellar XLM holder, but kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Otherwise you will never get a profit, you will lost very fastly. So therefore I just notify you, my viewers, my subscriber, to be safe from loss. Do this what I tell you. My brother, in those days, as you can see here, the Stellar XLM price were minus 4.14% will decrease now. So what's the reason to they were fails down, and what we will need to do to be safe from the loss? My friends, I just tell you, my friends, to if you are starting selling more and more, so they were fails down more and more. So what we will need to get a profit? You will need, my friends, to hold. You will need to invest more. It's 100% proof, my friends, so they will moving upward. And those days, especially short-term investors are starting selling, so therefore the price will fails down. Otherwise, in those days, my friend, every coin will pumps up very fastly and they cannot fails down. So therefore, my friend, everybody know this too. In last 10 days of every month, every coin will pumps up. But you know, Stellar, not just unique Stellar XLM, all crypto market, my friends, were fails down. Just in only, my friend, in those days. So last 3 days, my friend, you can see from September 26 to September 28, my friend, this all coins, my friend, were very badly fails down. So that's mean to all crypto market is not comfortable. And after September 27, you can see here the price will pumps up. So therefore that's a very good news from all of you, my friends, to Stellar XLM will get a profit. My viewers, my subscriber, please hold now. My advice for all of you and my opinion for all of you to please, my friend, hold. If you hold, so that's clear to they will get a profit, because you can see here plus 1.6% in last 24 hours they will get a profit. So it's a really good news for all of you. Please do this. I am 100% sure you will earn a lot of money from crypto, and if you want to earn money from crypto, you will need to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.